You can expect a lot from the 2012 Ford F-150. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.